Pooltool. What's that? It's a software, a simulation software with emphasis on realism. I'll just run the software here. Okay, look at the quality, look at the nice table, look at the nice balls. Everything's rendered quite quickly. You can get all kinds of views here. You're pivoting around the cue ball. Let's line up, hit that yellow ball dead center as much as we can. Alright, space, and if you hit the H key, you've got letters that you can type. A for aim. Okay, I'm already aiming, so space gets a shot off. We did pocket a ball. When everything stops, I think we do get on the bottom screen there, it says balls potted 14, so it tells you which ball went into the pocket. Look at that. This is the cat's meow, the bee's knees, the mama's pajamas. It's one heck of a nice looking piece of software. I like to try my hand at what I can get a computer to do, and I can tell you already, this is the pinnacle of what you can achieve in 3D graphics in this day and age. So okay, what else is there about this that I can show you? I can show you that it has a GitHub presence and a Discord, so people can discuss about the project, and GitHub will let you evaluate and submit improvements and discuss with the author. So right now, if I look at the last line there, it says Q different ball, hold Q, mouse, click to confirm. Hold Q quits. That's an error right now. Otherwise, I think everything looks just fine. So just gonna do a quick overview of what is available. You can go to the Discord and see that in Pooltool you've got several channels here for developers, general inquiries, help, physics, so on. I did ask Dr. Evan Kiefl. He's a Canadian researcher. You can find his profile online, and I think he's just doing this as a side project. But I did ask him, you know, are you gonna keep doing this? Have you got 90% of it done and you're almost sick of it? Are you 50% done, it'll never end? Or are you only scratching the surface? He does definitely want to keep working on it, and enjoys seeing other people chime in. Nice to see something that's actually taken wings here. So yeah, I did ask him, would you mind if I produced a newbie friendly video for my YouTube channel about Pooltool? I have to edit this because he told me it is not written like that. It's small letters all in one word, because there is another Pooltool which it has to do with like a hockey pool or a soccer pool or stuff like that. If you're doing a search for Pooltool, you might get that instead of this software here. So as one might find it on the internet, and to demonstrate the steps involved in trying it out for the first time. So quickly, if you want to know how to install this, there are instructions in the GitHub, and you can just ask the AIs. Unfortunately, that's how the AIs led me astray yesterday. That they got me to install Pooltool for betting. No, I'm not doing the betting, I'm doing the billiard sim. Oh, well, do this instead, blah, 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 blah. In a nutshell, need Python installed, and then I installed 3.16 version, and then that was too high. They suggested I go down to 3.12, which is just a matter of installing the software from I think python.org, and then they give you the import command line. So you go to the command prompt, which is basically type command, right? And as long as you're the administrator, you can type all kinds of commands here to install Python and then import Pooltool. So I'll leave that up to you. It's not that hard. You just keep asking the AI, or you go to the GitHub, which I'll show you right away. That's GitHub. Okay. So Kiefl Pooltool brings you to this cool website where anybody that wants to share their code and get a group working together can get the ball rolling in this way. So if you go to read me, yeah, and I think there's an installation, click on that, and here you are. You basically get all the Pooltools hosted on Python package index, so there you go. And Linux, Macs, and Windows. I'll leave that up to you to figure out. Yeah, I'm impressed. I was following this from afar. I had dreams of developing my own pool playing robot. When did I think of doing that? When I was young, 25 years old maybe. And I just kept it in the back of my mind. I have a technology degree in computer engineering. And I just thought, geez, wouldn't that be the nicest, coolest thing? I didn't get there, but I'm still thinking about it, and it may come to pass one day if I get off my duff. There is a guy on YouTube that actually built a pool stick that has a mobile pointer. Let's just say the tip of the stick's about that long, and as you stroke toward the ball, it uses cameras and moves the tip so that it hits the cue ball to sink the ball that you're trying to pocket. I mean, that guy did that in a matter of months, and I've been thinking of this for decades. So I'm just not in the same in the same class as these makers that are doers, and I'm more of a dreamer. Okay, I think that's enough for this video here. I hope you enjoyed this little jaunt. There's lots of stuff to see on the internet. There's lots of stuff to find out about your own interests, and have at it. Dive in. And if you like this type of video, give me a shout in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.